Like in much of the nation, there's what's called a Gavel Gap. The racial and gender makeup of the judicial branch doesn't reflect the people who walk into court. King 5's Jenna Hanchard introduces us to a Pierce County judge who is trying to change that through a program called The Color of Justice.
No!
There's a fight to get these faces in the picture, to get these perspectives to fit in the frame.
Yeah.
Initially it was to be just a small thing in my courtroom with about 20, 25 girls, and it just blew up. I'm just telling you, I am good.
Judge Helen Whitener is leading that fight in Pierce County, inviting 80 young girls to the courthouse to encourage more women of color to become judges.
If you don't have different perspectives, the interpretation of the laws will be skewed. The society is diverse, and the law needs to be perceived through diverse eyes.
Judge Whitener refers to herself as Miss Diversity.
I'm a black individual, I'm a woman, I'm an immigrant, I'm disabled, I'm an LGBT, I'm a lesbian, I'm married to a woman. Those are all parts of me, but those are all parts of the law as well.
All of that color can be heard and seen throughout this room, including the crew she assembled today.
So we have the highest level, which is Justice Yu, the Supreme Court.
Right, that's where I sit.
We have Judge Galvan, the highest ranked Latino trial judge.
The impact
I'm in shock.
is here.
I've never seen many diversities in one courtroom before.
That in return can light a fire.
We need more women because it feels like the men are overpowering and the women can do what men can do.
Judge Whitener sits in a unique position.
A seal.
Underneath a forefont,
George Washington, a slave owner.
she understands the historic and institutional struggles of race and gender.
I like having it there because I like the fact that George Washington could look down and realize that slaves have grown beyond what he was familiar with, and we have become things that are more advanced.
Where she sits is also a constant reminder to her obligation to the young faces who may one day occupy her seat,
And I also want to become a judge.
You do.
who may one day fit in the frame.
I'm a marginalized individual. The title judge is just that, a title. So it's a daily struggle. But, you chuck it up, you deal with it, you educate, and you move on. Because there's another heart to touch and there's another mind to change.
In Pierce County, Jenna Hanchard, King 5 News.